Now this is how you can block hidden numbers on your Android phone. Let's get started. So the way you do it or go about it is that you locate the main settings app of your phone, you get inside and browse the apps section. So I want you to locate the apps menu. Click on it to get inside, of course, and there you can see the list of every single app installed. And you might be, the first idea might be to just get to the phone app and try to change it in here, but it simply doesn't show you any kind of option for blocking numbers. And that is because if you have it similar to me, like I have on my Samsung phone, I have to go to the Samsung app settings at the top specifically. So I just have to click there, and then there are all of the Samsung specific apps. So I then just located the call settings, and this is where we can manage it. So you can see we have the block numbers at the top, so you can click on it and make sure that the block calls from unknown numbers is enabled. So this just means that every single person which you don't really know who that is, well, will be blocked on your phone. So you will not be able to see any kind of calls or anything, it's just not going to ring on your phone. It's likely that you're still going to see it to be part of the call logs inside of the phone app, right? So you will probably see it in the recents right there, but at least it's not going to ring. And as we are already in here, you can also block individual numbers. So if you have a specific number in mind that you know and want to block, you can go ahead and type that in and it will be blocked. Or you can jump to the recents section. So if somebody has called you recently and you want to block that, you'll be able to just click right there and block that number as well. So that's it. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Subscribe for the next guides and videos like this, and I'll see you later in the future tutorials.